How to fix voice chat not working in Marvel Rivals. So first, what you need to do is just simply check your microphone device if you have accidentally muted it. So if not, what you can do now is go to your sound settings. So this is here on the taskbar. So right click on this side right here. So open it up first, then click on the select a sound output icon right there. Then click on more volume settings. And once it brought you right here, you can see your output and input device. So make sure that your input device is set to the mic that you're currently using. So I'm currently using this one, still series on our microphone. And make sure that your output is the speaker or headphones that you're using. So once that's done, you can now go back to the game, then open up the settings here at the top right. Click on settings, then go to audio. Once you're in audio, make sure that the master volume is up and in-game volume is up too, so that you could hear the voice and stuff and the overall volume. Now after that, go down to the voice chat right here and make sure that the input device is the same as the one that you are using on your Windows settings. As you can see, I used the Steel Series Sonar microphone, so you should use whatever you used on your input device on your Windows settings. And for the voice chat mode, it's up to you if you want to use push to talk or open mic. For me, I'm gonna go with open mic, so I don't need to press any key to chat with someone or to voice chat with someone. And make sure that your voice chat volume is up and mic volume is up also. Once that's done, make sure that your voice chat is also enabled right there, and that you're good to go.